severe thunderstorm warning that came out just a few minutes ago. So let's go ahead and take a look at this on live radar. We are over here at Osceola once again. I think that was where I was talking about the last time that I went live, right? So this is just off to the south and the west of Osceola in St. Clair County. This is just now off to the northeast of Roscoe is where we're looking at the strongest activity right now. We are seeing some wind gusts that might get up to the 50 to 60 mile per hour range, so be prepared for that. I also want to talk about hail, which is right here just south of Osceola. So radar indicated hail, you may see up to about ½ inch to around 3/4 of an inch. So there's a probability right there. Current hail, though, looks like it is just off to the north east of Roscoe, between Roscoe and Vista, out here in St. Clair County. So strong thunderstorm just starting to move through this area. We are seeing some radar indicated hail in the amounts of just right at ½ an inch. So want to go ahead and give a heads up out here to Quincy, Fairfield, Fristow. You are severe thunderstorm warned for the next 34 minutes. That's going to end at about 1 p.m. So this was located 14 miles northeast of Eldo. It's moving northeast at about 40 miles per hour. So this one should get out of your hair pretty quickly, but it is going to bring some very strong wind gusts here. Not looking for anything else to happen with this. Strong wind gusts. Things are going to generally organize a little bit more as we go through the afternoon. Let's switch radar sources over here and I can get a little bit more street level for you. So it looks like the heaviest activity right now, to be a little bit more specific with you, is just now crossing 13 Highway, just to the south of 82 Highway, and this is all just east of Osceola, so it looks like it has just passed over the municipal airport there, which is just east of WW. So again, this is headed off to the north and the east, so I think we're going to see strong activity here in the next little bit at the Scout Reservation in that area, headed off towards U Highway and Harper. So heads up to everybody in that area. Strong thunderstorm. You are warned for about the next 34 minutes up until about 1 p.m. this afternoon. So that is what's happening. Let's go ahead and switch over to radar data while I got you here, or forecast data while I got you here, and we'll go ahead and see what is coming our way. So we're dealing with clustered stuff right now. Here is projected 1 to 2 p.m. all through the area. So we stay by and large moving up around 2 p.m. Where am I seeing the northernmost stretch of thunderstorms? Up around Spruce, Montrose, could pick up Clinton on its way over to Cole Camp, but it's primarily the south area here headed down towards Springfield. So we're looking at the things we just talked about in the warned area there. We're looking for strong damaging winds and hail. But as we move over into the afternoon, I was just looking through this a few minutes ago. Check out what starts to happen around 4 to 6 p.m. I do see some more linear type organization, and models have been a little bit all over the place with exactly how much linear, quasi-linear stuff we're going to be dealing with. But suffice it to say that if any of that comes together, even if it is for a short time, we're talking about the possibility for damaging straight line winds and also some brief spin up tornadoes that would be embedded in these lines as well. So that looks to be our danger zone, really, is once things get to the other side of Springfield over here, and that's going to be about between 2 and 3 p.m. that things move across Springfield. And that's where that linear stuff starts to take shape. So I think that's our greatest threat this afternoon. And again, this is between 2 and 3 p.m., all out to the east of Springfield, coming down from like Eldon, south of Jefferson City, down here to the east of Springfield. I think that's really going to be the spot to watch for those possibly damaging straight line winds. And then once that moves out, we're up to 5 o'clock here. We're just going to have wraparound rainfall back to the left side of your screen out there to the west. So lots of little pop-up showers on the back end. Shouldn't be anything to worry about. So I think that's the danger zone to watch as we move through the afternoon. So while we're still live here, one more time, I'll go ahead and let you know. Here is our newest severe thunderstorm warning. Do expect to see some more of these between now and about 3 to 4 p.m. And we're talking about Osceola right now. The bulk of this has just crossed over 13 Highway there, headed really right along 82 Highway here, that curvy, windy 82 that is just to the south of the Scout Reservation. So Scout Reservation is going to pick up possibly some ½ inch hail here in the next few minutes, as this is warned up until about 1 p.m. p.m. this afternoon. So I'll go ahead and let you look at the regional radar here. As you can see, things are just kind of taking this southwest and northeast track. And again, I'm looking for stronger activity down to the east of Springfield and east, maybe between 2 and 3 or 4 p.m. this afternoon. Once that passes over us, I think we will be out of the woods. But we can buckle up for the next couple of hours. I will be paying attention here with you. That is what I see this afternoon. Big thanks to the sponsor, Premier Contractor Services, for making all this coverage possible. Check them out. Hopefully you don't need to check them out acutely within the next 24 hours for some roof repair. But if you do, these are definitely the guys, as well as any construction needs that you might have coming up. So I will be keeping an eye on things as we roll through the rest